إخوة أخت أخوات ابن أبناء أو ولد أولاد بنت بنات عم عمات أعمام وعمة وعمات وخال أخوال وخالة خالات. You probably can guess what this means. أخ إخوة. Yeah? أخ is means kindness. Yeah, means kindness. It's مفرد. One person. حكاية هنا. هذه. إخوة إذا those kindness. Meaning from 3 to up. It's from 3 up. From إخوة. نقطة. أخت أخوات ابن أبناء ولد أو أولاد. So ابن and ولد, it has the same meaning actually when we use it to say my kids or kids. Okay? ولد أولاد. بنت means daughter. بنات it's the plural and it means here okay, let's use better ibnatun. Ibna, which means daughter, because bintun is it's a girl. Ibnatun banatun عم أعمام عمة عمات خال أخوال خالة خالات. So this is the plural of this vocabulary.
How is the form? Safia bint Hamza or Safia ibnatun Hamza? How
This you can say, for example, Khadija bintu Khuwaylid. It's bintu. It's the daughter, yes? Which, but bintu, it means actually in Arabic bint, bintu, bintun, yeah? Bintun means a girl, or it means the daughter as well in Arabic, because we have ibnatun and bintun, it's the same. But this one is more specific for the daughter. But bintun, it means a girl. But we use it in Arabic, for example, with the meaning of daughter as well. So you can say binti, my daughter, or as you said, like how to make, to say, for example, the daughter of, or the son of. We say bintu, Khadijatu bintu Khuwaylid. Khadija bintu Khuwaylid. Bintu. Just bintu. خديجة بنت خويلد for example أو آمنة بنت وهب for example or صفية بنت Muhammad or Khalid so we put just bintu and then we add the father okay and this is we call it idafa we'll see it inshallah and with the son it's the same like Muhammad bin Abdullah Rasul they used to call him Muhammad bin Abdullah Ali ibn Abi Talib okay and so on ibn Fulan and the same when we want to say for example Hamza Ammu Muhammad Rasul Hamza Ammu Muhammad or Khalu ila akhir but we have as well some kunya, you know, like when you want to say, for example, in the Arabic world, we say Abu Abdul Rahman, مثلا Abu Abdi Rahman. Abu Abdul Rahman, it means the father of Abdul Rahman. Okay? The father of Abdul Rahman. Abu Abdul Rahman, مثلا. Or Ummu Abdul Rahman. Ummu Abdul Rahman means the mother of Abdul Rahman instead of mentioning the name. So we call the kids, for example, to their parents, to their fathers or their mothers. Okay. You can write this vocabulary. You finished this verse?
Not yet. Cool question. Doesn't kifa ustatuki mean like how is your family?
Both help, yeah?
Yeah.
Like how are they?
Yeah.
Yes, it's possible for many different. But link it to the topic means to ask, is it because it's كيف أسرتك هل هي كبيرة أو صغيرة? So here it's about the numbers.
So we always should add some other information.
Exactly, or up to the context because if you said كيف أسرتك means that it's about how they are doing or how they are. So you will ask بخير والحمد لله. But if you say كيف أسرتك, it's a description as well. So you describe whether is it big or small or and so on. So it's possible.
То, что он на доске написал, где это есть? Этого там нету. Он написал, что единственное и множественное число, то есть брат, братья, сестра, сестры. И в арабском языке множественное число начинается с 3 и более. То есть 3 человека и более. Это предлог или окончание? На множество есть. Да,
Начало слова не конец.
Зависит от слова, потому что некоторые слова просто в них меняется окончание, а некоторые слова меняется корень вообще.
Now, you finished? Okay. You understand?
Нисан.
Ibnu.
Ибла.
Ibnu.
Много.
أبناء. أبناء. أبناؤه. أبناء.
That is for son. What
Son.
about daughter? Ibna, abna'atun.
Ibna.
Ah,
Banat.
banat.
Ibnat, here is daughter, but the plural is girls.
Yeah.
So,
Много.
easy. أبناؤه. Hamza, bottom half. Finish? So please pay attention. اسمي عبد الله، أنا من المغرب، لي أسرة كبيرة. لي لي ثلاثة إخوة. ثلاثة إخوة. Not إخوة but إخوة. ثلاثة إخوة و خمس أخوات. خمس أخوات. If you hear what I said ثلاثة إخوة. ثلاثة إخوة, but when I talk about feminine, I couldn't say خمسة. It's not right to say خمسة أخوات, not خمسة. But we delete this ta in the end for feminine, always. And we say خمس أخوات. خمس أخوات. Not خمسة, but خمس. Not خمسة, but خمس. What does it mean that? It means that we put the number from number 3 to number 9 or 10, to number 10, or 9 to number 9. We must pay attention to the word that comes after the number. If it's masculine plural, then the number has to be in feminine with ta. But if the noun that comes after the number is feminine, is the plural feminine, as we see here, we don't have to put ta in the end. We watch out this ta and we put just the last half with this haraka, khamsu, and then the noun with this declination. Did you understand what I mean? Yeah? For example, in the Quran there is إني رأيت سبع بقرات سمان. سبع بقرات. The Quran doesn't say سبعة بقرات, but just سبع بقرات because بقرات is feminine. But when the number, for example, the number or the accounted subject or the things that we account is masculine plural, we have to put tab in the end, like ثلاثة إخوة, أربعة أعمام. But when we say عمات, we don't say أربعة, but we have to say أربع عمات. أربع عمات. Did you understand? Did you understand the rule?
We understand that this is difficult to remember.
Exactly. That's why it's difficult to remember. That's why when you learn, when we're going to learn, inshallah, we're going to go forward, we have usually when we have the vocabulary study, we must study a very important thing. We have to know in the Arabic the masculine of the noun and its plural. Always in any program you take, it's very important to pay attention to this. When you study the word, you have to study it in plural as well. Why? Because of many different reasons. The first reason is that we don't have one, like there is a rule in Arabic to form masculine plural, masculine plural and feminine plural. But this rule is not all the time the case. We have so many words that are not go with the rule. So we must know this plural. It's not just one exception or two or few, but so many words. That's why when we study, it's very important to study the word and its plural. The word and its plural. And we have to learn it, because you asked how we can do this. It's by learning. Once I know, for example, the noun, or the in plural, those characters, is for example is here. Very should those characters. When I want to use the number, I take the number and they use it as it is. Okay, as it is, with ta. But when I deal with feminine, very should those characters, I have to take the number and I have to make sure that I don't put ta in the end. And they say أربع عمات خمس بنات, okay, ثلاث خالات. But when we say أخوال, we say ثلاثة أخوال, أربعة أعمام, ستة أولاد, وسبع بنات. This is the way how we do it. Okay? I will repeat one more time. لي أسرة كبيرة. لي 5 أخوات وثلاثة إخوة ولي 4 أخوال وثلاث عمات. وأنت مجاهدة؟ تفضلي. نعم، تفضلي. Could you tell us about numbers? You're familiar with the numbers? Yes. نعم.
Ау, первое это ли.
Ли. لي أسرة كبيرة. نعم. لي. لي أختن, yeah? One. لي أختن, نعم. And here we can say أختن, and we add number 1 after. And we say واحد is for masculine, and واحدة is for feminine. So لي أخت واحدة نعم. نعم. لي أخت واحدة. What? Let's say this. Say please, I have three brothers and 4 aunts. 3 brothers and 4 aunts. How are you gonna say that? It's masculine. It's masculine plural. So you have to keep that. ثلاثة 2 إخوة Do we have to say أربعة عمات or just أربع عمات? أربع عمات. جميل. إذن could you repeat please from the very beginning? لي أسرة. أربع without أربع عمات.
Okay, just a request. Can you just repeat all the words with translation again?
With translations. Yeah. Okay. So, أخ. That's right. So, أخ إخوة أخت أخوات ابن أبناء ولد. No, it's the same. It's the same. It means the son or it's the same. Ibn or waladun, they have the same meaning. But yes, child. Yeah.
Child.
Ibn is a son, and walad is a child. Actually, walad it has many different meanings. Here, it means a son or a child, and it means as well. Waladun, it means just a boy. هذا ولد, this is a boy. Waladun. Okay? But we use it to say a son as well. Okay? Ibn.
But when we say children in
plural we say أولاد, children. Or أبناء. Both of them are correct. Okay? Ibn. بنات. عم. This is the uncle, yes? In father's side, yeah? أعمام, uncles in the father's side. عمة. In the father's side. عمات. خال. The uncle in the mother's side. أخوال, uncles in the mother's side. خالة. خالات. Okay? شكرا. As a task, sisters, what you have to do is to write about your family. Use the numbers with the plural. Okay? And when you write the number, underline please the ending. Underline it. Okay, if it's for masculine, you underline this. And if it's for feminine, you underline it. And try to, it's not exactly that you have to talk about your family, but use the numbers at least from 3 to 5 for now, yeah? And very, very good. And about, you didn't ask about itnani. Itnani, in Arabic, we form it not from the number, but we form it from the noun itself, and we'll see that inshallah. So you write please a text about the family. You can imagine the family, and you use the numbers at least from 3 to 5. And if you want to use 1, okay, you mention the noun first, and only after the noun you bring wahid or wahid. Like لي أخ واحد ولي أخت واحدة لكن لي 3 أعمام و4 عمات مثلا.
I have a question.
Yeah?
If I would say I have 2 brothers, then I must say لي أخ.
Okay. 2 brothers, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. This is a very important question, as I just told you. When we want to form the dual 2, we don't use the number at all. We form it from this. So if I want to say لي أخ, but I have 2 brothers. لي you say أخوان. لي أخوان. We form it from this. And how to form it, the dual in Arabic? We add alif and nun for masculine in the end. Alif and nun. Okay? And the same with feminine. Okay? So we say akha, but we add here 1 waw. Wow. We say akhawani. Okay? Ukhtani. Ibnani. Waladani. Ibnatani. Ammani. Ammatani. Khalani. Khalatani. And so on. This is the way how we form. Just we have to follow the rule. Okay? So, li akhawani. Li akhawani. Because we didn't say itnani akhawani. No. Li, because we form the dual in Arabic from the noun. We will see that later. So you can you do the task, please? This work the text we studied, yes, before. And then we must could you?
Ты выйдешь с нами на улицу? Урок закончился. Мы можем выйти на улицу. Ты выйдешь с нами на улицу? У нас урок закончился.
Я сейчас учу.
Can you read, sister?
Подожди, куда я положила? Я тоже хотела
Нет, это твоя семья появилась в России. А что вы получаете?
صديقتي صديقتي Я
Можно карандаш? Что касается всегда тебя,
So you know how to combine them and arrange them? Could you try? Like this, just for example, this one. What is this?
можешь не заезжать, что просто делаем мантик даже.
This is هذا. This is هذا.
Например, насчет
والدي هذا والدي this is D yes يا إيمان Next. Okay, let's do like this. Let's revise the alphabets, the letters, with the harakat. So pay attention, please. We have, as I told you, to make your revision more easier and to be able to read good. We divide the letters into this half it. Fa, fa, and this one. Va, ain, this one. Rain, this one is fa, a. This half is ka, this one. La, ma, la, ha, wa. Yeah, good. So this is the most important thing, is to have a picture of each letter and how it sounds like. We have to.
Шада, хатха.
Где? Здесь? Где?
Правильно это?
Да. Это правда.
И ибн.
Будет ибн.
А где он? А когда говорить не надо, да?
Не надо, потому что
Джака, ибн,
ибна, на,
я,
а,
صديقة. Это одно слово. Потому что «д» ни с чем не соединяется. Поэтому здесь раздел. Садика – моя садика, а «ти» значит моя. Ну, смотри, фатха относится к «са». А «д» это не ясно, а симптически, особенно когда будет значение через «я». Это «я» относится к «я», который съедает.
Then we have to remember this harakat. Fatha, kasra, dhamma, tanween.
Смотри, если внимание через «я»
Shadda, and with this harakat. You must remember this. Plus long vowels. E. You know.
The most difficult is to recognize the letters in the middle.
Exactly. This is because we have when we see the alphabets before, we must know the form of the letter in the initial form, middle form, and final form. Very important. So, B, ba, you know how to recognize it, yeah? Ta as well. Ta as well, right? Jim, do you know how? Ha, kha, dal. Dal, this is it can cause sometimes the problem because it's not connected with the previous letter. So it has only two forms. Like this, or like this. Like this in the beginning and in the end. And like this if it's in the middle. Because that, we will never connect it with the next coming letter. Okay? Like for example, هذا والدي عد نان عدنان. Okay? So don't connect.
That and that fine, as a final letter, seems for me as la.
Like this. Look, if you read that, you write it on the line. Yeah? But lamb, it's bigger. It's more bigger. It's not the same. It's more bigger. So that's the way how we can distinguish between it. The same with that, the same with ra, and the same with za. Okay? Sin, it's okay. Shin, it's okay. Sad, dad, ta, vad, ain. It caused the problem a bit, yeah? Why it caused the problem? Because we have to pay attention to the very beginning, and in the middle it's like this, and in the end it's like this, or sometimes it can be like this. In the end. Why? It's like this if we have before it this, or alif, or ra, or zai, or wow. So if we have one of these letters before, it has to be written this way. But if it has before other letters, we put it like this because we connect them together. Okay? Did you understand? The same with ain. Okay? The same with ain. Fa and qaf, it's not a problem. Kaf. Kaf, we write it like this, in the middle like this, and in the end we can write it like this, or like this. It's the same in the end. Okay, we can write it this way as well. Okay?